ran up here. Why are you saying sorry? Why sorry? Sorry, this is me? Oh, okay. Wait, what is that? You put him in the microwave, this is me? I don't get it. Why don't I understand? Ah, I get it. You're clever. That's why you have a sign. I see. Hello, everybody.
여러분 안녕하십니까?
This is night number 3. This is going to be the earliest show. Cold.
네, 오늘이 세 번째 쇼인데요. 오늘 여기 오니까 좀 춥네요.
This is the earliest show, and it's a Sunday. It's not going to be a chill show. It's going to be an exciting show. It's going to be lots of energy.
네, 그래서 오늘 저희가 이제 일요일 날 마지막 쇼를 하게 되는데 오늘 날씨는 춥지만 이곳만큼은 화끈하게 저희가 한번 달궈보도록 하겠습니다.
Thank you. Hello. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to warm up with the band and kind of sound check, even though I think at this point we know what this venue sounds like. I've enjoyed playing this venue so much, and I think tonight will be my favorite time. It'll be great.
네, 그래서 오늘 지금 이제 사운드 체크를 이제 진행을 할 텐데요. 그래서 전반적으로 소리가 어떤지 한번 체크를 해보고 또 워밍업을 해보도록 하겠습니다. 그래서 오늘이 세 번째인데 아마 오늘이 제일 저의 가장 아끼는 그 쇼가 되지 않을까 생각합니다.
Oh, you know what I want to ask everybody? Can anybody then just recommend like a really good dessert Korean ice cream, like after dinner kind of thing? Just tell us what is it? I don't know. Can you write that down and hand it to somebody? Because I need recommendations. Everything closes so early here. I don't know why.
그래서 여기 혹시 한국에 맛있는 디저트 맛집 있으면 좀 알려주세요. 아이스크림 뭐 이런 거 좀 좋아하시는 것 같아서 여기 있는 주변에 이 맛집들은 좀 일찍 닫는 것 같아서 좀 맛있는 아이스크림 맛집을 조금 원한다고 합니다.
Ice cream. If you could hand it to somebody, and we'll get a bunch of recommendations. Anyway, okay. First, everybody say hello to the band. Hi,
밴드한테
band.
인사 한번 해주세요.
How are you guys doing? Good? Great. Good. Grand, wonderful. Good, grand, wonderful. What movie is that from? Okay. Loser. We're gonna do Loser first.
Oh, I'm such a loser, but I am a loser. Oh, baby, I'm a stupid out of my mind. I'm a loser, but I am a loser. I'll never recover, I'll never be fine. 'Cause I just might get a little too drunk, so I don't think about it. Don't think about what could have been. Stay up like 3 or 4 nights so I don't dream about it. Wake up with no love, I just can't wait. Should've seen it all along. She was a 1 in a million. Cause never someone says her name. We were going off and on. Guess I really played it wrong. Should I never let her slip away? Oh, I'm such a loser. I am a loser. Oh, baby, I'm a stupid out of my mind. I am a loser. I'm a loser. I'll never recover. I'll never be fine. Just might be a little too, so I don't think about it.
I just messed up the movie. That's not gonna happen tonight.
Yeah, no, I keep lying to myself when she's just joking from. She'll probably come. Maybe I should get. Should've seen it all along. A million. She's a lover, I'm a second place. Oh, I'm such a loser. I'm a loser. Oh, baby, I'm a stupid out of my mind. I am a loser. I'm a loser.
hard song to sing.
Oh, I'm such a loser. I'm a loser. I'll never recover. I'll never be fine.
I don't even need the warm up. We're already rocking. Okay, so before we do the next song, you've been waiting for 8 years. Did you come last night, or is this? Yes, you did. You came last night. Thank you for
어젯밤에
coming
오셨다가?
again. We'll do this side and this side, just a question each, and then we'll do another song and another question. And then does anybody have any questions on this?
질문을 먼저 받은 다음에 다음 곡 공연하도록 하겠습니다.
Yeah, and the gray sweatshirt. Oh, this is orange. This is not gray. I think I'm wearing a sweatshirt. That's why I did that. Everybody has really nice
마이크
phones
전달해
here.
드릴 테니까요.
They
네.
have like 9 cameras. Go ahead.
네, 저는 선영이고요.